In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust your advanced settings where you can quickly and easily access your most recent workbooks. So in this spreadsheet, if I click on File, at the bottom I'll see my most recent workbook. And if I click on More, I will see the additional 3 most recent workbooks. To make this possible in your advanced settings, click on Options, and from here go to Advanced. From here, scroll down until you get to Display Grouping. And from here, you will see a option that says quickly access number of recent workbooks. You can uncheck this to not be able to access any recent workbooks, but you can check this to be able to quickly and easily access recent workbooks whenever you click on File. You can also increase the number or decrease the number of recent workbooks that are shown. So let's just say I only want to see the 2 most recent workbooks, for example. Click on OK. Now go to File, and it only shows me the 2 most recent workbooks. I can turn off the settings by going back to Advanced, going down to Display Settings, uncheck the box, and now it's not there. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.